Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners, and in this video we will talk about bashrc file in Linux and how we can use it and what is bashrc file. So first of all, what is bashrc file? The bashrc file is a script that is executed whenever a new terminal session is started in interactive mode, right? So first of all, for example, you open your terminal and just check whether you are in your home directory or not. By default, you are already in home directory whenever you open your terminal, right? Now in here, you can just write ls-a for the listing, and you will be able to see there is a file called .bashrc. And this is the file which is responsible whenever you open a new terminal. This file is executed. This is a kind of a script which is executed first whenever you open a new terminal session, right? So let's go inside this .bashrc file. So you can use nano to display the content of this bashrc file. So just write nano.bashrc and you can go inside this file and you can see the content of this file like this. Or I'm going to just exit by just pressing Ctrl X, or you can use the command called gedit. So just write gedit and then .bashrc, right? This is also a kind of GUI editor which is used as an editor for your text file or any other file, right? So just write gedit and .bashrc and press enter, and this is going to open this file in this kind of GUI editor, right? So in some operating system, I'm talking about the Linux operating systems, this bashrc file is already there and some scripts are already there inside this bashrc file. So for example, I'm using this Ubuntu operating system and it already have a bashrc file and it already have this kind of script inside this bashrc file, right? Now in some other kind of Linux operating system, a few days ago I was using, for example, Linux Mint. It doesn't have this bashrc file, right? So anyway, if it exists, it's okay, and if it doesn't exist, you can just create one for you using this gedit command or nano command. It doesn't matter, right? So now what we were talking is that this script is executed whenever you open a new terminal, right? So whatever you add to the script, it will be executed first whenever you open a new terminal session, right? So just go at the end of this file, and if you create a new .bashrc file, it's okay. Just go at the end, or if you have a new, just write there. Just write, for example, echo, and then in double quotes, this is a test, right? So just write this command here. You already know what is echo command, right? And then just close this bashrc file. Okay, and now we are going to open a new terminal session, and this terminal session I can open from here. Just go to file and then you can just say open tab, or you can just press Ctrl Shift T to open the new tab. You can see the new tab is open. So this is first tab we were in, and this is the new tab we have created. And as soon as we have created this new tab, this text we have written in the bashrc file is executed, right? So this is a test, and this was we have written a echo command for this, right? So using this, we know that this bashrc file is called first because it's executing our echo command also, and then your normal terminal operation you can do, right? Once again, we can edit the bashrc content. So I'm going to just go to the gedit command. So gedit bashrc, and this time instead of echoing something, I can use some aliases, for example, right? So for example, what I can do here is, instead of echoing, I can do alias. So just write alias ls is equal to, for example, we want to do the long listing and the color also. So ls minus minus color is equal to auto, and then we will say minus L also. We want to do the long listing also, right? And I will save the content and I will close this. And once again, I can just close this tab and open the new tab. This time I will go here and then click open tab. And now whenever I do ls and press enter, it's going to do the long listing with the color options for me, right? So in this way, you can customize your bashrc file. Mostly we use this bashrc file for a number of things. For example, if you want to set up the environment variables, whenever, for example, you install Java, you need to set up the Java home environment variable, and this can be done using this bashrc file, right? Or whenever you want to use Git and you want to see which repository you have checked in or you have cloned, you can write a script for this, and then you will be able to see in the terminal itself which version or which Git script, Git repository you have, right? So for this, bashrc file is really useful. So I hope you understood the basic concept of .bashrc file. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.